Blender Release contains a specially formulated demolding agent to create a wet barrier between the molds and the fresh surfaces to make it easier to remove molds while stamping the concrete. Blender Release comes in 10 different colors, of which we offer a neutral color as well. Provides a contrasting effect that intensifies textures and shapes by highlighting the deepest lines of the print. Comes packaged in 19.8 pounds boxes with a coverage of 1,075 square feet. It is applied slightly on the surface, spreading it manually, always downwind. After stamping, you should wait 24 hours to remove the leftover demolding agent and start washing the already stamped concrete surface with water. Blender Release Agent is your best choice for generating more realistic and defined prints. If you want to know more about Blender Release, contact us to provide you with all the information you need. Make a concrete change.